Hello students, welcome to a lesson through the virtual training center of the Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika. My name is Shraddha teacher, and in this lockdown period, since we are not able to go to school, children, we will be doing many lessons here online through the virtual class. So come on, let's proceed to our lesson for today. So children, let's go to our next lesson in Standard 2nd English, and the name of the lesson is Sakshi's Box. This is part of the lesson Activity Time in your English textbook, which is lesson number 3.2. So if you have your English textbooks with you, kindly open it and keep it ready so that you can also read the lesson along with me. So in this lesson, children, we are going to talk about a girl called Sakshi and a box which a fairy gives her. And this box is a magical box. So she gets hold of a box, and when she opens it, let us see what she finds inside the box and what all things the fairy and Sakshi do together. But like I told you, this lesson is part of a lesson called Activity Time. So before going and reading Sakshi's story, let us first try and do this activity together. So what is the activity? You have to arrange the following words in alphabetical order. So you can see a white color cloud here. Inside the cloud there are so many different words. So children, all of you know to say the letters of the alphabet. So come on, pause the video for a second and say all the letters of the alphabet starting from A up to Z. Okay, so I hope you have said the letters of the alphabet. So which is the letter which comes first in the alphabet, children? It is the letter A. And A will come first when you arrange these words in alphabetical order. And then you will have to search for a word which starts with the next letter. So which is the next letter after A? Yes, it is B. Alright, after B, then you will have to search for a letter which starts with, correct, C, and so on. So I will not do the entire exercise for you. Okay, I will just start with the exercise and I will take you halfway. The remaining part of the exercise, what you can do is, you can do it as your assignment or your homework. So come on, let us see which is the first word that they have given us. It is the word starting with the letter A, and that is axe. So let me try and show you pictures also of all the words that we are going to read. So see, this is an axe. What do you use an axe for? People use an axe for cutting wood. Okay, so first word that you will write when you are putting all these words in the alphabetical order is A for axe. Then come on, let us see the word or search for the word which starts with B. So we have two words starting with the letter B. One is B-O-Y, boy, and the other one is B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. So come on, let us decide which word should come first. Both are starting with B, isn't it? So then what we will do is, we will look at the next letter here. So in B-O-Y, boy, you have O, which is the second letter, and in B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon, you have A, which is the second letter. So children, in the letters of the alphabet, does A come first or does O come first? Yes, A comes first, isn't it? So balloon will come after axe. Okay, and after balloon, then you will write boy, B-O-Y, boy. Alright, so you have A-X-E, axe first, B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon second, and B-O-Y, boy third. We will next now go to the next letter of the alphabet. After B, you have C. And here, luckily, we have just one word which starts with the letter C, and that is clock. So, after boy, you will write clock. Okay, So this is how you will find out words which are in alphabetical order and arrange them one after another. Come on, let me do one more example for you. So the next word that we can write is the word starting with the letter D, and that is D-O-G, dog. Alright, you still have around 10 letters on the image for you, on the screen for you. So come on, try and arrange all these other words also in the alphabetical order. Let me give you a small clue. After D, you will search for another word with the letter D. If you do not find another word with the letter D, then you will go to E. Search whether you can find E in this group of words. No. So what will you do? You will go to the next letter, which is F. And yes, here we have a word starting with the letter F. So come on, write that word and then find out all the other words which will come after the word starting with the letter F. Okay, so this is the activity that we have done. We have tried to arrange some words given in this picture in the alphabetical order, and arranging the other words which are there is your homework. Okay children, so come on, let's move on, and now let us go and see Sakshi's story. So there was this girl called Sakshi, and Sakshi found a box. Can you see? Sakshi found a beautiful box which was gift wrapped also. See, nicely it is tied with balloons and strings. So Sakshi found a nice, beautiful box. And what happened when Sakshi opened it? There was a fairy inside. Okay, Sakshi opened the box, and inside the box there was a fairy who came flying out of the box. Can you see? There was a beautiful fairy inside the box when Sakshi opened the box. Then what did the fairy do? The fairy can do some magic, isn't it? The fairy has got a magic wand in her hand. Can you see? The thing which is moving, the stick which is moving, it is called as the wand, W-A-N-D, wand of the fairy. So the fairy had a magical wand. And what did she do with the wand, children? The fairy gave her, that is, the fairy gave Sakshi, what did she give her? What are these called? Some paints. Okay, can you see? There are beautiful different color paints. So you have green color, you have red color paint, you have black color paint, you have blue color paint, yellow and red again. So the fairy gave Sakshi some paints. Now what do you need, children, to do some painting? Along with the paints, you need a brush also. So the fairy knew it, that Sakshi will need a brush also along with the paint. So she gave her a brush as well. The fairy also gave her a beautiful brush, or which we call as a paint brush. So you dip this brush inside the paint and you draw beautiful pictures. Okay, so now Sakshi has been given a paint brush, and she has been given some beautiful colors. So the fairy and Sakshi decided to do some painting together. They decided, come on, now both of us together, let us do some paintings. So what did they do, children? They started painting. See, they painted violet color. Which color did they paint first? They painted the violet color. Can you see? This color is called as violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. First, they painted the violet color. Then, which color did they paint together? They then painted indigo. See, this is indigo color. It is a dark blue color. Then they painted indigo. So first they painted violet, then they painted indigo, Indigo. Later, which color did they paint? The fairy and Sakshi together, they painted blue and green. So see, in this picture you can see both the colors, isn't it? Blue color and green color. So now they have painted how many colors? Do you remember? They painted violet first, then they painted indigo, and then they painted blue and green. So they painted 4 colors now. Alright. After that, which is the color they painted? Lastly, they painted red, yellow and orange. So see, in this you can see the colors changing. So this is red, this is yellow and this is orange. So these are the last 3 colors which they painted. So they painted indigo, violet first, then indigo, then blue and green, and then red, yellow and orange. Okay, so in total, they painted 7 colors. And children, when we talk about 7 colors, what is that thing which comes to your mind? Yes, it is the rainbow, because these colors are the colors of the rainbow. Have you seen a rainbow, children? In the rainy season, sometimes when it is not raining very heavily and there is little bit of sunlight also, you will see the beautiful rainbow in the sky. And the rainbow has got 7 colors. And so that means Sakshi and the fairy, what did they do? They painted the 7 colors of the rainbow. Isn't it? See how beautifully Sakshi got a box, and out of the box the fairy came out, and the fairy gave her beautiful colors and paints and a brush also, and together what did they paint? They painted the beautiful colors of the rainbow. So come on, let us see which are the 7 colors of the rainbow. So the 7 colors of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So I want you to look at all these colors carefully, and also I want you to read the names of these colors. So you can pause the video here and look at these colors properly and also read their names. So let me do it once for you. So the first one is R-E-D, red. Then we have O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And then you have Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. And then G-R-E-N, green. The next color is blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Then you have indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. And finally, the next color is violet, V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. So these are the 7 colors of the rainbow. So if you want to remember the 7 colors of the rainbow, children, you remember this word Vibgyor, V-I-B-G-Y-O-R. So if you remember the word Vibgyor, you will be able to remember the colors of the rainbow in order. Remember, we arranged the words in alphabetical order. So now here we will arrange the colors of the rainbow in the order in which they appear on the rainbow. Okay, so you have V for violet, okay, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. So it is Vibgyor, V-I-B-G-Y-O-R, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the colors of the rainbow. Okay, so now let us see the last exercise, children, here that we have. You are supposed to frame some sentences using the words which are given below. Now I will frame some sentences for you, but what you will do is you will look at the sentences which I have framed, you will read them properly, and finally you will make your own sentences. So which are the words we have? We have the word big, then we have the word like, and then we have the word fairy. So with big, I have taken the example which is there in the textbook, that is, I saw a big blue balloon. So this is the first sentence with big. So you can frame any other sentence of your choice. Alright, next is like. So let me show you the sentence which I have framed. So I have written, I like to eat cake. You can form your own sentence, children. You can write whatever you feel like, but there should be the word like in it. You can write that you like to eat something, you like to play something, you like to see something, you like to read something else, anything of your choice. And finally, I have the word fairy. So can you say, I like to eat fairy? No, there you will have to change the structure of your sentence. So for fairy, I can say, I saw a fairy in my dream. Okay, I cannot say I saw a fairy yesterday on the railway station, because you cannot get to see fairies like that. So I have written, I saw a fairy in my dream. What other sentence can you write using fairy? Let me give you one more example. You can also write, I had become a fairy for the fancy dress competition. You have fancy dress competition in the school, na? And you go dressed like a cat. Sometimes you go dressed like Superman, Spider-Man. So how did I go? I went dressed like a fairy for the party, you can write, or for the fancy dress competition. Okay, children, so this is the last exercise in this particular lesson. So today we did the lesson 3.2, that is activity time. In this lesson we had two parts, where first we did an activity and we arranged the words in alphabetical order, and later we read about Sakshi's box. Okay, and we talked about the different colors of the rainbow, and I also taught you a trick word in order to remember the colors of the rainbow in order. So children, that is all for today. So children, wasn't that a wonderful video, and did you enjoy watching it? So if you want to watch more such videos in future, then please like this video and also subscribe to our channel, the MCGM Portal for Education, and also hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video here. Thank you so much for now. Let's meet again soon.